Welcome to this myCRM tutorial video where we explain how the activity log works and where to find it. Regardless of whether you're viewing or editing a record of properties, leads, owners, transactions, user profile or settings, you'll see an icon which looks like a clock with an arrow around it. This is the activity log for this record. If you click onto it, you will see all the changes you have ever made for this record. If you have permission, you will also see every change ever made by anyone in your company on this record. The system records the change and what was it prior to the change, what was the date and time and who made the change, and what was the IP address, the unique identifier internet device, when they made this change. As myCRM allows unlimited users, every individual can take ownership of any changes they ever make from within their system. Instead of clicking on an individual record to see the changes made, you can also visit the activity log section within the dashboard of myCRM. As long as you have permission, this will allow you to see the changes made to any section at any time within your account. By default, you see the summary such as Tom made one edit, but you can expand off of this information by clicking on this icon. We hope you found this video informative and value your feedback. Please let us know your thoughts by emailing support@mycrm.com, calling 800 myCRM, or using the chat with an expert function. Thank you.